Okay, so this is the third and final video in the series of how to model a pivot joint in FreeCAD. In the last video, we finished up this part. So in this video, I'll use the A2 Plus workbench to create an assembly that looks like this. So let's get to it. All right, if you don't have the A2 Plus workbench installed, you can get to it through Tools and the Add-on Manager, and then you'll be able to install it from there. So we will create a new A2 Plus project, a new project, and then we'll add a part from an external file. So before we are able to add a part, we have to save it for the first time. So I'm just going to call this pivot joint assembly. All right, now that we have that created, we can now import a part from another file. So we're going to import it from our pivot joint. And you can see it's just added it. Now the next thing we want to do is you could either repeat that step or you can use the duplicate part, which is here, I believe. No. Bear with me. There is a... here it is. So this is how you duplicate it. So we'll duplicate it, and then we'll place it here. And then, let's see, what I want to do is transform it. So I do that by double clicking on the piece I want to transform. And you don't absolutely have to transform it. You could set the the things you want in order to position this correctly, but I find it better to orient it first to make it close to what you want, and then it makes it a little easier just to kind of wrap your mind around where it's going to be positioned. So I'm going to just position this like here. And then I want this circle and this circle. Actually, before I do that, I want to tilt this a little bit. So I want to make it look like this part. Right, so to do that, I want to tilt this one slightly, like about there. And now when I select these circles, then I can set it up so it's tilted like that. All right, so the one I'm looking for here is circular edge constraint, and I want lock rotation true. And so we're going to accept that. And that, let's go into our perspective view, and we'll take a look here. So if you compare these two, they look pretty darn similar. So that is all you have to do to create assembly in FreeCAD. So that's it. Short and sweet. I hope you liked the series. If you liked it, press the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, put a comment down below, let me know, and subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you in the next one.